Ever wondered why your fuel disappears faster even though you haven't changed a single driving habit? You fill up the tank, but the gauge drops quicker than before. You blame traffic, weather, bad gas, but the real reason is often hidden under the hood. In many cars, tiny sensors quietly send wrong signals to the ECU, forcing your engine to burn extra fuel without you even knowing. Today, we're breaking down 5 critical sensors that directly control your fuel efficiency. What happens when they get dirty, how they waste your money, and how to clean them before more fuel disappears. Stay until the end. The last sensor on this list is the biggest fuel killer. Let's get into it. Sensor 5. Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor, ECT. The ECT constantly reports engine temperature, so the ECU can adjust fuel mix during cold starts and cruising. When it's clean, the engine leans out properly once warm. But when the sensor fails or gets dirty, the ECU thinks the engine is still cold, enriching the mixture like a permanently stuck choke. That means heavy fuel consumption, rough idle, black smoke, weak acceleration. How to clean. Disconnect the battery. Locate sensor near thermostat. Housing, unplug, remove only when engine is cool. Spray contact cleaner on tip, and connector dry reinstall. If readings stay inaccurate, replacement is the best fix. Cleaning costs $10.15, replacement $122.50. Sensor 4. Throttle Position Sensor, TPS. The TPS reads how much throttle your foot requests. When healthy, throttle response is smooth and fuel trims stay accurate. When dirty or failing, the ECU receives incorrect input, causing jerky acceleration, hesitation, stalling, and up to 30% more fuel burned. How to clean. Disconnect battery. Remove intake duct. Locate TPS near throttle. Plate. Spray throttle. Cleaner around plate and sensor. Area. Wipe carbon. Reassemble. Cleaning. $15.30. Replacement $150–400. Always clean before replacing. It fixes most issues. Sensor 3. Oxygen O2 Sensor. The O2 sensor sits in the exhaust and measures leftover oxygen to help the ECU adjust air-fuel ratio in real time. A clean O2 sensor, front low emissions and great fuel economy. A dirty one, rich or lean mixtures, black smoke, fuel smell, lower power, and 15–40% MPG loss. How to clean. Disconnect battery, remove sensor, spray with O2 Safe Cleaner. Gently remove. Build up, let dry, reinstall. Cleaning around $20. Replacement $150–500 depending on position and labor. Before we continue, hit like and subscribe because the next 2 sensors cost drivers hundreds every year when ignored. Sensor 2. Mass Airflow, MAF, Sensor. The MAF measures how much air enters the engine. When clean, your car gets perfect fuel amounts, strong throttle response, and great mileage. When dirty, the ECU guesses, and guessing always wastes fuel. A dirty MAF alone can kill 20% of your fuel efficiency. How to clean. Remove intake tube, unplug. Connector. Carefully remove MAF, spray. Sensing element with MAF cleaner. Do not touch or scrub it. Let dry, reinstall. Cleaning, $10.25. Replacement, $240–680. A quick cleaning can save serious money. Sensor 1. Fuel Rail Pressure Sensor. This sensor controls fuel pressure for accurate injection. When it works right, starts are smooth, power is consistent, and fuel burn is efficient. When it feeds wrong data, injectors spray too much or too little, causing misfires. Hesitation, flooding, and massive fuel waste. Long-term failure can destroy injectors and pumps, leading to 4-figure repairs. How to clean. Disconnect battery. Locate. Sensor on fuel rail. Unplug. Remove. Spray electrical. Contact cleaner on sensor body and connector. Pins. Dry. Reinstall. Cleaning. $10.20. Replacement. $250–650. Ignoring this sensor is one of the fastest ways to empty your wallet. These 5 sensors directly decide how efficiently your engine burns fuel. Cleaning them takes minutes and costs almost nothing. Ignoring them costs hundreds every month. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment your sensor cleaning results. And before you go, watch our next video on simple engine tricks that instantly restore lost power. You'll want those tips before your next drive.